Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little different share. I'm sharing a recipe of a favorite salad I like to take to potlucks. It's easy, it's delicious, and it is definitely healthy for you. You will need some firm tofu, shown here. Just needs to be firm. You can, any brand, any type is good, just needs to be firm. You're going to end up cutting those up in cubes and laying them laying them on the bottom of your serving dish, whatever you're going to use. I use foil pans, so I don't need to remember to bring any dishes home. So there they are. They're cubed up there. I'm just showing you the cube size. You're also going to need some tomatoes, like 6 or 7 of them. You're going to cube those up as well into bite-sized pieces, as well as some of this bean sprout. You can see they're called mung bean sprout. I just know them as bean sprouts, so you can usually get them at your Asian market. And a package of baby spinach leaves. So you don't need this big of a container, probably half that size will do. You'll also need 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, about 4 garlic cloves, and 3/4 cup of soy sauce. Now this is the best soy for use, but if you don't have this one, any soy sauce will do. You'll want to sliver up those garlic slices into thin slices and add them to the vegetable oil that you've been heating on the stove. Once you see it bubbling like this, frying-ish, the garlic will start to turn color. Once it turns color, you want to remove it from the heat and then just let it cool on the side while you prepare everything else. So just want to make sure these are the cubed tofu at the bottom of the dish. You're going to layer the bean sprouts on top of this, and then the tomatoes on top of that, as you can see here. And then on top of that, you're going to layer the spinach. So once the oil is cooled, you'll want to remove the garlic from the oil and add in 3/4 cup soy sauce. Once you are ready to serve the salad, that's when you're going to pour that vegetable oil and soy sauce over the salad. Now you don't want to mix it up, just pour it straight over. You'll see that it's separated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!